What is intermittent fasting?
The following text is an eating pattern that alternates periods of eating with periods of fasting. Unlike traditional diets, it focuses on when you eat, not just what you eat. Popular fasting methods include the 16-8 method, which involves fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. Research suggests intermittent fasting may support weight management, better blood sugar control, and overall wellness.
Choosing your fasting window.
To begin, pick a fasting schedule that fits your lifestyle. Many beginners start with a 12-12 approach, 12 hours fasting, 12 hours eating. Once comfortable, consider shifting to 16-8, where you might eat between noon and 8 p.m. Make sure your eating window matches your daily routine and energy needs, as this makes the habit easier to maintain long-term.
What to eat during eating windows?
When fasting, quality nutrition matters. Focus on balanced meals with plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains. Stay hydrated by drinking water regularly and avoid processed foods or sugary snacks. Eating nutritious foods during your eating window helps manage hunger, supports energy, and improves overall results with intermittent fasting.
How to start safely and stay comfortable.
Start slow and listen to your body. It's normal to feel hunger at first, but unpleasant side effects usually pass as your body adjusts. During fasting, you can drink water, black coffee, or unsweetened tea. If you feel unwell or extremely fatigued, break your fast and try a shorter fasting window. Consistency and gradual changes are key for success.
Common mistakes and how to avoid them.
Be careful not to overeat during your eating window or skip out on essential nutrients. Avoid starting with extended fasts, which may feel overwhelming. Don't ignore feelings of extreme discomfort or dizziness. People with medical conditions or those taking medication should consult a health professional first. Remember, intermittent fasting should feel sustainable and supportive, not punishing.